Hi, bro. Peace be with you. Today, I'll show you how to reset the Acura TL service Minder Light or Oil Life Monitor system. So let's jump into the guide. If you have a third generation Acura TL, you can reset the service light by using the button on the instrument cluster. So here's what we're going to do. Step 1. Turn on the ignition and wait until you see the service minder on the screen. Step 2. Then you're going to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds, and it'll pop up a little message with a reset or cancel option. Step 3. Finally, press the reset button to confirm it and you're done. On some models, you can also reset the maintenance light by using a toggle on the steering wheel. So here's the way to reset it. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Press the up button repeatedly until you get your service minder screen. Step 3. Then press the reset button and hold it down for just over 10 seconds or until you run into the reset menu. Step 4. After that, hit the reset button to confirm it and you're done. Next, for the fourth generation Acura TL, you can reset the oil life by using the buttons on the steering wheel. So let's get right up in this. Step 1. Hit the start button twice and that simulates position 2. Step 2. Press the up or down button until you see the oil life or service screen. Step 3. Hold the reset button down, and after 10 seconds, you're going to see a menu pop up where you can reset or cancel. Step 4. To reset it, you go highlight the reset option by using the up button and hit the reset button to confirm. So that's it, folks. When you go through the different informational items, it'll say oil life is 100% and you're good for your next oil change. So thanks for your time and have a good rest of your day.